Hi, everybody. In this quick video, we're going to go over how to attach a GIF in the new UI. If you have logged into your account and you are using that classic version, go ahead and select Go to the new UI. If you already have the new UI set as your home, all the better. Go ahead and select in your mass messages, the Compose button in the upper right-hand corner. As always, go ahead and add your description. And I'm going to select who am I sending this to. So this can be your distribution list or lists. And we're going to send a text message. From here, you do have two options. If you have a template that you have utilized in the past, you can go ahead and select choose template, choose the one that may apply to this particular send. For our purposes, I'm going to go ahead and select Start from Scratch. So this is our brand new editor. You can see that we have a great preview screen on the right-hand side, and we also have all of our action icons up top. So this is where if you wanted to insert an emoji, which is also new, you can add that, or if you wanted to add insert media, you can now select either a static picture or a GIF. Let's go ahead, and earlier I did Beat the Heat this summer with a, say, buy one, get one free refreshing drink on us. In another video I did, I added some emojis. So I'm just going to add one or two for good measure here by using my happy face icon. I'm going to add the sun and some sunglasses. There we go. But I also want to add an animated GIF to really make this message pop. So I am going to select the insert media icon. It's that first picture icon. Now, if you wanted to go out to your device and select a GIF that you have already saved, you can select device. I've added one to my library already. So you can add images and GIFs to your library to select whenever you are composing your message. So I'm going to go ahead and add this fun GIF, sun with his sunglasses and refreshing cold drink. I'm going to go ahead and attach this. And please note that any image, whether it's a GIF or a static image, will be considered an MMS, which means that it will cost you more credits, in this instance 4 credits to send this. The emojis do not cost you extra credits. They only count as characters. So anytime that you are sending an image, please keep that in mind. So you can see when we send this, it's going to send as an MMS, and you're going to have a cute GIF. And it really catches the eye for whatever message that you are going to send, whether it's some sort of retail or food and beverage offer, or even just a notice to your sales staff to join a meeting. Always fun to add these. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close this, and you can see I can do another preview. And I can also select send. So when you send this, that GIF will go out to your recipients exactly as you see in your preview screen. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@izigg.com, and one of our great reps will be happy to explain further or walk you through it. Thanks so much.